Double every edge of a solid. Does the paint you need also double, or does something bigger happen to the surface and something bigger still to the material inside? When two solids are similar, every matching length scales by the same factor k. 1k for edges, radii, heights, not a different factor per edge. Area is a product of two lengths, so each length brings a factor k and surface area scales by k squared. Double the edges and paint becomes 4 times. Volume is a product of 3 lengths, so it scales by k cubed. Double every edge and the material inside becomes 8 times, not 4, not 2. Run it backwards. If volumes are 27 to 1, then k cubed is 27, so k is 3, not 27. Always take the root that matches the dimension you were given. A cube has edge 4 centimeters. A second cube has edge 8 centimeters. By what factor do the total surface area and the volume increase? Linear scale k is 8 over 4, that is 2. Every length doubled. Raise k to the powers the question asked. Surface area factor is 2 squared 4. Volume factor is 2 cubed 8. Paint times 4, material times 8. Surface area increases by a factor of 4. Volume by a factor of 8. The trap. Applying the volume factor 8 to a surface question, or stopping at the linear factor 2 for either. Confirm with the absolute cube formulas once, then trust k forever after. Old total surface 6 times 16 is 96. New is 6 times 64, 384 factor 4. Volume 64 to 512, factor 8. Same powers, no new arithmetic needed next time. An area ratio applied to a volume or a volume ratio copied raw onto a length is the mark-losing move. Match the root or the power to the quantity you were handed. Scale lengths by k, areas by k squared, volumes by k cubed. Recover k with the matching root. Next video melts and recasts. Volume conserved, surface not. Drill the scaling set in the ExamMaster app.